Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover brand loyalty with Samsung, full guide step by step clearly. To recover brand loyalty with Samsung, first assess the current customer sentiment. Gather feedback through surveys, social media listening, and customer reviews. Identify common pain points and areas needing improvement. Next, develop a transparent communication strategy. Acknowledge past mistakes and outline steps taken to address them. Engage with customers through personalized responses on social media platforms. Implement loyalty programs that reward long-term customers. Make these rewards accessible and relevant to your audience. Revamp customer service to provide faster, more effective solutions. Invest in training your customer service team for improved empathy and responsiveness. Launch marketing campaigns that emphasize the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. Highlight new product features that address previous customer concerns. Create community-driven initiatives, such as user-generated content contests. Encourage customers to share their experiences with your products. Enhance product quality based on consumer feedback and expectations. Regularly conduct quality checks to ensure standards are met. Consider sustainable practices to align the brand with modern consumer values. Communicate these sustainability efforts to build a responsible image. Collaborate with influencers to reach wider audiences and reinforce positive perceptions. Ensure these partnerships align with the brand's values for authenticity. Finally, track the results of your initiatives regularly. Adjust strategies based on ongoing customer feedback and market trends. Consistently engage with your audience to build a lasting relationship. Commit to continuous improvement to maintain and grow brand loyalty over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.